Rust converters play an important role in automobile body protection from rust and corrosion. Rust and corrosion can significantly deteriorate a vehicle's appearance and structural integrity, leading to safety and performance issues. Rust converters are designed to address and mitigate these problems. Here's why they are important. Rust conversion. Rust converters are chemical solutions that can convert iron oxide rust into a stable and non-corrosive compound. They work by chemically bonding with the rust and turning it into a protective layer that helps prevent further corrosion. This conversion process stops the spread of rust on the vehicle's surface. Cost-effective solution. Rust converters are cost-effective when compared to the extensive process of sanding, priming, and repainting rusted areas. They can be used as part of a more economical maintenance regimen to address surface rust. Easy application. Applying a rust converter is relatively simple and can be done by car owners or professionals. It typically involves cleaning the rusted area, applying the rust converter, and allowing it to dry. This ease of application makes it accessible to a wide range of users. Protective coating. In addition to converting existing rust, many rust converters leave a protective coating or primer on the treated surface, further shielding it from future rust and corrosion. Extended vehicle lifespan. By effectively halting rust and corrosion, rust converters help extend the lifespan of your vehicle. This is especially important for older cars or vehicles driven in regions with harsh weather conditions, where rust is a common problem. Improved aesthetics. Rust can be unsightly and can reduce the resale value of a vehicle. Rust converters can help restore a vehicle's appearance, making it more appealing and valuable. Preventing structural damage. In advanced stages, rust can weaken the structural integrity of a vehicle. Rust converters help prevent this deterioration, ensuring that critical components remain in good condition. Complementary to other protective measures, rust converters can be used in conjunction with other rust prevention methods, such as undercoating, rustproofing, and regular washing and waxing, to create a comprehensive defense against rust and corrosion. It's important to note that while rust converters can be effective for treating surface rust, they may not be suitable for addressing severe or structural rust issues. In such cases, more extensive repairs or part replacement may be necessary. Regular inspections, maintenance, and proactive rust prevention measures are key to keeping your automobile in good condition and protected from rust and corrosion.